Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change leverage in Tradingview paper trading. First, open your chart in Tradingview. At the top of the chart, click the Trade button. This will open the brokers list. Next, select paper trading from the list of brokers. Then click Connect. Once connected, the paper trading panel will open on the right side of your chart. This panel shows your orders, positions, and account information. To change leverage, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see paper trading listed there. Click on it. After that, click the gear or settings icon. This opens the paper trading settings menu. Inside the settings, you will find the leverage options. Here, you can change leverage for different types of assets, including stocks, futures, forex, crypto, and others. Enter the number you want for each asset. For example, 1 means no leverage, and higher numbers increase your leverage. After you have entered your desired values, click Save. Your paper trading account will now use these leverage settings for all new trades. You can confirm your changes by opening a new order and checking the position size and required margin. This will show that the leverage is applied correctly. Thanks for watching.